Mav, what are we up to? What are we up to, Mav? What are we up to? Oh, we got, what do we got here? All right, well, as you know, Dizzy and I got together on this one and built this one for this veteran right here. It looks like we've built another one for another veteran. So I'm going to strap you guys to my chest. Thank you, Dizzy. Link for Dizzy's channel in the description.
Great job, Diz.
Yeah, fantastic. Came out fantastic.
Yeah.
Dizzy's got some pretty good shots of this thing. This one's built for a Marine. And we're going to get on these scooters and go deliver this one. So let me get you guys strapped on my chest. I don't know how much.
Show the Army one too.
Oh yeah, there's a whole video on this one. Link for that video in the description here. And we'll go deliver these. Hey, as you're resting here under the big blanket on the big bed, you want to say goodbye to the people? Say goodbye to the people, Pentina. Thank you.